Home gardeners often ask us, should I use drip line or drip tape? Today, we're going to unravel the factors that are involved in deciding between the two and empower you to make the best decision for your own garden. If your project scope extends beyond that of a home garden, check out our video there in the top right, where we delve into choosing between drip line and drip tape on an agricultural scale. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence you need to make a decision between drip line and drip tape for your home garden. There are many factors that go into deciding between drip line and drip tape. Primary among them are run lengths. Drip tape can handle much longer run lengths than drip line, either the 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch versions. Flexibility. Drip line is significantly more flexible than drip tape, and it can snake, bend, or S-shape through a garden. Drip tape, on the other hand, has to be ran in nearly perfectly straight lines. Durability. Due to its thin walls, drip tape isn't nearly as durable as drip line is. That's not to say it can't last for years. It absolutely can, but due to its very thin walls, it is more susceptible to damage from foot traffic or landscape maintenance equipment. Emitter spacing. Emitter spacing inside emitter lines like drip tape and drip line is strict. They come with predetermined spacing options available in the line. Drip tape tends to have more spacing options available than drip line. Rings. Drip line can be formed into rings that go around a plant. This is great for things like trees or large thirsty plants and shrubs. Drip tape, as you recall, can only be run in straight lines and could not make rings to go around large root balls. Now that we've taken a look at some of the considerations that apply to all of our types of emitter line, let's take a look at some situations that might favor 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch drip line. Short runs. 1/4 inch drip line should be no longer than 20 to 30 feet, depending on the spacing. This makes it a great fit for raised beds or shorter in-ground beds. Locations that need flexibility. 1/4 inch drip line is flexible enough to snake or S-shape through an area that doesn't necessarily have its plantings in straight rows. Foot traffic. Due to its smaller profile, 1/4 inch drip line is less prone to damage from things like careless foot traffic and landscape maintenance equipment. 1/4 inch drip line can easily be raised off the soil surface with the use of stabilizer stakes. 1/4 inch drip line is also available in brown, which helps it blend in better in some landscapes. 1/2 inch drip line is great for runs over 20 to 30 feet in length. Landscapes with changing elevation. Our 1/2 inch drip line is pressure compensating. This means it can give uniform water delivery despite being under greater pressure from gravity. Areas with soft bends. 1/2 inch drip line is flexible enough to take soft bends or corners without the need of an elbow fitting. Expandable with other drip emitters. Our 1/2 inch drip line is made from everyday standard poly irrigation tubing. This means you can punch in your own drippers or even a short run of 1/4 inch tubing in which you place an emitter at the end. These factors make both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch drip line a great choice for many home gardeners. From using 1/4 inch drip line to cover your raised beds to using 1/2 inch drip line to cover about 20 to 30 feet or longer of landscape. Drip tape is great for long rows. Drip tape was originally designed for the long rows you see on commercial agricultural projects. Straight rows. Drip tape is not flexible when pressurized and needs to be ran in straight lines. Drip tape comes with very thin walls. Even the thickest walled drip tape has exceptionally thin walls. This means less material is used to produce it, lowering cost. For this reason, we see it used a lot in temporary locations. Lower flow rates. Drip tape has options for very low flow rate emitters. This gives dense soils time to absorb the water instead of it pooling or even running off. Do you have very low pressure at your house? Drip tape operates at about 10 to 15 psi, making it a great choice for residences that have exceptionally low pressure. Greater spacing options. Drip tape is available with a wide variety of spacing options, from 4 inches to 60 inches and almost everything in between to meet the needs of almost any plant spacing or landscape. If you'd like to learn more about drip tape spacing, check out our video there on the top right. It dives into a little bit more detail on matching your drip tape spacing to your plant or crop. Drip tape and drip line can cover pretty much any situation, but occasionally a situation will come up in which neither one will get the job done. For example, very irregularly spaced plants. In a case like that, you might want to use button drippers or custom spaced drip line. If you'd like to learn more about custom spaced drip line and how to build your own, check out our video there to the top right. We walk you through step by step. From run lengths to spacing options to flexibility, you now know the factors that go into choosing between drip line and drip tape and can confidently make the choice for your own garden's needs. If you're ready to design a drip tape or drip line irrigation system, check out our step-by-step design guide right here.